Welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into a topic that's crucial for anyone looking to take control of their financial future: understanding yourself in the context of finance and investing. It's not just about numbers and charts. It's about you, your values, your goals, and your mindset. First, let's talk about your financial values. What do you truly care about? Is it security, freedom, or perhaps the ability to give back to your community? Identifying your core values will guide your financial decisions and help you align your investments with what matters most to you. When your money reflects your values, you'll find greater satisfaction in your financial journey. Next, consider your financial goals. Are you saving for a dream home, planning for retirement, or looking to travel the world? Setting clear, achievable goals gives you a roadmap to follow. Break these goals down into short-term and long-term objectives, and don't forget to celebrate the small wins along the way. Each step forward is a step closer to your dreams. Now, let's discuss your risk tolerance. Understanding how much risk you're comfortable with is essential in investing. Are you someone who prefers a steady, conservative approach, or do you thrive on the excitement of high-risk investments? Knowing your risk tolerance will help you build a portfolio that feels right for you, balancing potential rewards with your comfort level. Another important aspect is your financial knowledge. Take the time to educate yourself about different investment options, market trends, and financial strategies. The more informed you are, the more confident you'll feel in making decisions. There are countless resources available: books, podcasts, online courses, so find what resonates with you and dive in. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of your mindset. Cultivating a positive and growth-oriented mindset can transform your financial journey. Embrace challenges as opportunities to learn, and remember that setbacks are a natural part of the process. Surround yourself with supportive people who inspire you to keep pushing forward. As we wrap up, remember that understanding yourself is the foundation of successful finance and investing. By aligning your values, setting clear goals, assessing your risk tolerance, expanding your knowledge, and fostering a positive mindset, you're setting yourself up for a brighter financial future. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this information helpful, please consider following or subscribing for more insights. Here's to your financial empowerment. Let's make those dreams a reality together.